to show you how to use the strategy keep, change, turn, or some people refer to it as keep, change, flip when dividing fractions. So, keep, change, turn. The first part, it says 8/10 divided by 1/5. I'm going to keep my 8/10. I'm going to keep my first fraction. I'm going to change my sign from division to multiplication, and then I'm going to turn or flip 1/5 into its reciprocal in order to solve this problem. So 8/10, I'm going to keep it as 8/10. I'm going to change my sign from division to multiplication, and I'm going to turn or flip 1/5 to its reciprocal, which is 5/1. Then you literally just multiply top times the top, bottom times the bottom. So we're going to multiply our numerators, which is top times the top. 8 times 5 is 40. And bottom times the bottom, or my denominators, I'm going to multiply 10 times 1, which is 10. So now I have an improper fraction. 8/10 times 5/1 equals 40/10. So your problems are going to ask you to put the answers in simplest form. So I'm going to change this improper fraction into a mixed number. So 40/10, I'm going to do 40 divided by 10. 40 divided by 10. So my numerator divided by my denominator. 10 goes into 40 4 times. 4 times 10 is 40. Subtract. Your quotient is 4. So 8/10 divided by 1/5 equals 4. Let's try another problem. The next one we're going to do is 9/10 divided by 4/9. So write that problem down. 9/10 divided by 4/9. We're going to keep, change, turn. So we're going to keep the first fraction as 9/10. We're going to change the division sign to multiplication. And we're going to turn 4/9 to its reciprocal, which is 9/4. And as we did before, we're going to multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. So top times the top, 9 times 9 is 81, over denominator times denominator, or bottom times the bottom. 10 times 4 is 40. And again, we want to put our fractions in simplest form. So this is an improper fraction, 81/40. So we're going to change this improper fraction into a mixed number by dividing the numerator divided by the denominator. So 81 divided by 40. 40 goes into 81 2 times. 2 times 40 is 80. If you subtract, there's 1 left over, so our remainder is 1. So we're going to turn this into a mixed number. So my quotient is my whole number, my remainder is my numerator, and you always keep your denominator, our 40. So our answer is 2 1/40 in simplest form.